Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DAL, Delta. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Well, another very eventful day for the cruise lines and the airlines and all of that. And after today's price movement has settled out, there are a couple of very key levels that a whole lot of people are going to be watching. So, with that being said, I don't want to come across like this is some sort of special talent that I have or some sort of secret discovery. Quite the opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to have taken notice of a couple of these levels. And I bring all that up because when a lot of people are watching a certain level and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very dynamic movements. And a level that a whole lot of people are going to be watching is right there at $30.50. $30.50, I mean, that is just as cut and dry as it gets as far as an important technical level. You can see acted as support going back to yesterday, and then once again right there, and then this afternoon, this big old bleeding downwards movement. Surprise, surprise. And this is why you can only laugh when people say, charts are a scam, charts don't work. Are charts perfect? No, there's no such thing as a perfect tool. But to say that technical analysis has no place in the market, I mean, that's just ignorance right there. I mean, look at how the price just happened to bounce right off 30.50. But the point here being, 30.50, a lot of people have noticed this, and a lot of people from the longs to shorts are all going to be watching this level on Friday, wondering, can the price actually stay above it? If it doesn't, then, I mean, I'm not saying this thing collapses down to $20, but if it does not hold above there, then really next level of support, not until that previous breakout point, which sits down there around the 28.50 mark. So there's definitely some, potential room to run in there for a downside trade. So that's going to be definitely two of the very important levels of support to watch. And then as far as areas of resistance, it's all about that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very followed 200 period moving average. So keep an eye on that going forward. Current value is at, we'll just call it $33.50. But all in all, interesting day with the big pullback. Not just a question of, is this pullback the start of a much bigger reversal point? And the first clue to that would be, the price just shattering to the downside of 30.50. So we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.